Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Gasatkina. You're watching daily financial news on InstaTV. Today the Australian Bureau of Statistics published the disappointing data again. The information on the halt in the employment growth was issued today after yesterday's report for March on the weak rise in the retail sales. According to the released data, in Australia in March, the number of employed people reduced practically by 3,000. However, most analysts had forecast an increase by 5,000. This is the first indicator with a negative reading for the last 3 months. This fact proves instability and weakness of Australia's economy. Fluctuations in the unemployment rate also show the economic slowdown. The indicator rose to 6.2%. The country's government is trying to stabilize the situation, changing the central bank's policy. Thus, at the latest meeting, the Reserve Bank of Australia cut the key interest rate to 2% from 2.25%, hoping to reduce the demand for the national currency. However, traders are not ready to sell off the Australian dollar, and they still keep the buy orders despite further weakening of the monetary policy. The pair traded closely to its month minimum. Today, ahead of the European session, one Australian dollar cost 79.50 US cents. Investors are trying to avoid keeping their funds in the US currency, taking into account the latest statistical data from the US. This was Daily Financial News on InstaTV. Thank you and goodbye.